delivery, we've got the Nectar hybrid mattress and we're gonna unbox it today. Let's get to it. All right, so some beds can be a little bit heavy, so it's always nice to have a friend there to help you out. So I've got John here. He's gonna help me unbox this Nectar. So this isn't really the typical size that we see for a bed in a box, but you know, it'll do the same. Let's get into it, huh? Which side? This one? Yeah. Just keep it off. This is the weirdest way possible. Okay. You might have picked the wrong side, but
might have.
It'll be fine. We're professionals. Yeah, gloves never hurt. If you want to get a cardboard cut or anything like that.
Oh. This is amazing footage. It is great.
Now this will soon turn into your full bed, but let's get this plastic off. You don't want plastic on it. Now, believe it or not, this is going to be a full mattress, probably around 10 or 11 inches. You can kind of hear that the bed's already starting to inflate, but soon enough you'll really see it. Oh yeah, that's a firm bed. If you're a back or stomach sleeper, don't even have to take it out of the plastic. All right, look at that. The Nectar Classic Hybrid. It's already looking way better, but we probably want to give it a couple of hours, maybe even a full day to fully inflate and get to its true firmness. But in terms of some initial thoughts, let's see. You can still feel a little bit of a memory foam feel. The coils are quite nice, I like that. Probably softer than it's gonna be, but who knows? We gotta wait and find out. So John's testing it. What do you think, John?
Oh, it's actually not bad.
Not bad. Well, something cool about Nectar is they come with a full year sleep trial. You can get a forever warranty. More information about that down below in that description box, and you should be able to get returns within that sleep trial. Free shipping, of course. That's how we got the big old box. Now, feels a little softer than some old Nectars, but I'd probably say that right out of the box, it's giving a medium, so probably will stay around that firmness since it does have those pocketed coils. Those pretty much give you the support that you need right out of it, but it's probably gonna be a medium. Again, check our full review to see if it stays at that medium after we've waited for it to fully inflate. All right, initial thoughts. This new Nectar Classic Hybrid looks really nice. Can't wait to really test it out and get our full opinions on it, but I think it's a really nice bed and an upgrade over the old Nectar mattresses, in my opinion. Again, check out our full review, and for the rest of the Slumber Yard team, I'm Wes, wishing you a good night's sleep.